Welcome everyone to this channel again. So we are here to give you um helpful content. So in this video, I'm going to reveal it to you. I'm going to teach you how to apply for YouTube partnership program on your on your YouTube studio with just your mobile phone, on your YouTube studio on your mobile phone. So I've taught you how to start any revenues on uh, with just 3,000 hours views before, which it was done in the previous video. So in this video, I'm going to reveal to you how to apply for that standard monetization settings using just your YouTube, your phone, your YouTube Studio app on your phone. So just follow. Let us do it together. I'm going to tap on my end screen, on my um, end tab here. You can see this. You can see this estimated revenue is still zero because the monetization agreement I have on this channel before is just people sending me stickers, buying super stickers and so on. And just because I've not really started live streaming on this channel as at the time I'm recording this video, so I don't really have people that are buying super sticker for me, you understand? So but now I want to apply for the standard monetization on YouTube and start making money through my videos, and that super sticker is still going to be added. It's still going to be an added advantage. So let us go to the standard way now. So stay tuned to the end so that you can understand this. It's very simple. I'm going to make it straightforward. So before I continue, please, if you are here to subscribe to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button of the YouTube channel and tap the bell icon beside it, because I'm going to be revealing to you the best way to make money on YouTube and online generally on this channel. So kindly do it to subscribe to this video and share this video to other people that maybe they don't have laptop and they are assume that they can only apply for this thing using their laptop. No, you can do it with your mobile phone. So I'm going to reveal it to you, the steps to take now. So let's do it together. Thank you very much. Click on the like button of this video so that I can know that I'm blessing you, right? So I click on my end tab now. You can see you've unlocked new ways to earn. You can now earn through ads on your videos and more. So because I already have more than 4,000 hours views, that's why this place was unlocked. In the previous video you can see I didn't, it was displayed somewhere around there that I don't have, I still have 3,000 plus. It's not up to 4,000 watch hour before. So the first requirement is my 1,000 subscribers, which I have more than 1,000 subscribers now. I have 1.5 subscribers, 1.5k subscribers. So and the watch time, okay, let me just go to the watch time tab and show you. You can see my watch time now. Let me tap on 365 days and go there. You can see I have 4,124 watch time now. That's why I can be able to unlock this end tab that I want to go and do now. So let us go there. So I will click on get started now. Get started. YouTube partner. So you can see it's as simple as that. So the only thing I will need to do now is to go and unlock monetization on my videos. So let me go there now. Let me click on then I click on edit. Okay. So I click on get started. just stay tuned with me. It's network, that's why it's doing that. um just let us wait for the next thing. I'm having network issue here, that's why it's not showing. Let us wait, let us still wait. It's still loading. Or maybe there's another way we can do it. I can, instead of going to your YouTube, instead of using your YouTube Studio app, the one that can make it faster is you can go to your YouTube Studio on your Chrome browser. So I think let me do that one to make everything fast. That's the second step that I tried to tell you earlier, because this app, I think it is network. Or let me choose. Try something. So I want us, there is an instruction down here, and that's what we are going to do. That's what I shared earlier. So it said to have access to additional features, go to studio.com. Go to studio.youtube.com using a web browser on your phone, tablet, or computer. So you can see now you can still do it on your mobile phone. That's what we want to do now. We go to studio.com.youtube. We go to studio.youtube.com on. I'm going there now on my YouTube, um on my Chrome browser. So let me just go to my Chrome browser. Let me go to my Chrome browser and let me go to my Chrome browser and go to YouTube Studio. So studio.youtube.com. The next thing you are going to do is tap on this arrow icon, this dot, the arrow option button on your Chrome browser. Then scroll down. Then you can see desktop site. Then click on the desktop site to turn off the desktop site, so that it will assume that you are using this. You are visiting this website on your. The website will assume you are using your computer. So let me studio. Okay, so this is studio.youtube.com. It's loading. I have other YouTube channels, so I'm not sure that particular YouTube channel is the one that is logged in there. So that means I will need to switch to the AdSense Studios YouTube channel. So you can see it pop up that welcome. Let me zoom in for those that can't really see what is there. You can see congratulations, AdSense Studios. You are now a YouTube partner. Welcome to YouTube Partner Program. As a YouTube Partner Program, you can monetize your video, shorts, and live stream. Get started. Get support via email also. So I want to screenshot this to celebrate. So click on Let's Go. So it will take us to where to do the necessary settings. Sorry for the interruptions. So you click on so you can, there is an instruction here. Because this thing was so easy for me, because I've applied for the monetization before and I've been reviewed. If you meet the payment threshold and have no payment owed, you typically receive your payments between 21st and 26 to 26th of the month. So you can see, you can, to view your finalized earning and payment details, visit AdSense for YouTube. So you can see now YouTube partner program options. So that's it. I joined the partner program on the July 11. That was last 2 months. So let me go to uh, my watch page ads. Turn it on. Go to your turn it on and turn it on. You can see all these things. You have to read all this and mark I accept. I've already read it before because I've been applied for partnership program on my other YouTube channels. This is my third YouTube channel. So click on accept and next. So you can see all these pre-roll ads, all the other stuff. So click on next. All of my existing video, monetize your existing video. So click on monetize all, since you want to start making money from all your videos. So that's it. You are earning from ads and YouTube Premium on the watch page. So click on short feed ads too, then turn on. You read all these ones too. You click on I accept the short feed terms, then you click on accept. Yeah, so you are now earning from shorts, and that one is membership. But this one, I don't want to do this one for now. Maybe I'm going to do it later. Because this one will make people to be subscribing to you, to join, to create a group for you. So I'm not doing that for now. I think super stickers and others too. Let me mark this super sticker too, so that people can start giving me super stickers, and by that I can start making money too. So super stickers, super chats, super thanks, and so on. So let's go to shopping. That's if you want to create a if you want to have a digital store on your channel, which I'm going to be doing that one later, because presently you can see you can connect Fort Wall, Shopify, Spreadshop, and others, but I'm not doing this one for now. I will come back to that one later. So the main thing is what I've done. So I will come back for my membership, and I will come back for my shopping later. So this one is the most important thing now. Watch page ad, and so that's the overview. I believe you can see what I'm doing. So if you go to you can see getting paid. You can see something here, getting paid setup complete. You've completed your payment setup. So now I can start making money on this YouTube channel by God's grace. So I think that's all. So thank you very much for staying tuned to this video till the end. So let me go back to my YouTube Studio app. I want to show you something. I want to show you something that is very, very, very much important too. So you can see all my videos. You can see this dollar. You can see this dollar logo. That means my videos have been monetized. You can see monetization on. You can see the monetization is on this video now. You can see monetization is on this video. So that's it. So anytime I start as I start getting views on this YouTube now, on this video now, I will start getting money from the video. So you can see this is where my revenue will start showing after. It is not my RPM and CPM is not showing yet because I just start monetizing the channel. So after now, any view I'm getting now will start showing this. So thank you very much, and this is the best way to apply for your monetization on your YouTube Studio app and your browser using your mobile phone. So stay tuned to the end and click on subscribe button. Click on subscribe button if you have not done. And see you in the next video where I'm going to show you the other ways to make money on your YouTube channel and other ways to earn online too. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. I love you all.